Okay, you guys, this is a remake of The Greatest Freakout 2. Okay, here it goes. Ready? Go.
I need that chair.
No, you don't. Just go. Just go.
Oh my God! Stop betraying! Stop betraying!
Get off the computer now!
No! I don't want to get off!
Now! Get off the computer now!
No! Don't look at me! Look at him! You're not going to betray him! Stop betraying me! Stop betraying me! I don't want to get off! Stop betraying me! Oh my God! I will kill you! I will kill you! I will eat your firstborn child!
Now, Terry, calm down!
No! I don't want to get off!
Get off! Calm down, Harrington!
No! Stop betraying me! Do you realize you're putting us on our team? Oh my God! You know what? Betraying you! How do you like that, huh? Oh my God!
Calm down,
No! No! Well, that's she was a mom.
I was mom, yeah. That was a dog.
She was a